so excited. So, Evan surprised the heck out of me today and bought me a brand new phone. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. I'm so excited. I have not got a phone in 4 years. 4 or 5? 4. Let's just go with 4. I have not got a new phone in 4 years, and I'm so excited because the one that I have is very quickly starting to die, and it is just not what I need it to be for doing YouTube and Instagram and that kind of thing. And oh my god, I'm so excited. He went off to buy a vacuum and came back with a brand new phone. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god, we're going to open it together. This will probably be a very short video, but I'm just so excited I have to share this with you. The sound may be a bit weird today because a video that we are doing is doing up this room and it is completely empty right now. We took everything out, and including all of this, all my filming stuff, everything, to redo the room, like the skirting board, the cupboard, a whole lot of things. So the sound might be off, and the clips that I'm gonna film of opening this are gonna have a interesting looking wall in the corner of them. So that's just what we're dealing with today, but I'm too excited to care about it. So let's open this up. Okay, I need to be filming on this. I am filming on my old phone down here, filming my lap to open this up. So we've got a little green arrow that says peel. Oh, satisfying. And we have the black box. The lighting is shocking on this. Ooh. Anyway, black box. Oh my gosh. Nice. This is what I was talking about. So, on the back of the box, it's got includes iPhone 12 Pro and USB-C to Lightning cable. The stupidest thing that Apple has done is take away the fact that they don't give you power adapters or headphones or anything with their phones anymore, and they are charging so much more for their phones now, and they're taking away all the stuff, which I think everybody collectively feels the same way about that. It is inconvenient at best, but I'm still excited because I am in desperate need of a new phone, so this is so exciting. I'm so happy. Alrighty, let's open this up. That's the typical slidey down box. Oof. Look at her. She is beautiful. Oof. So nice. So obviously this is the phone. You get your charger and all your little like bits in here, which I'm assuming are the stickers, and the little pin thing. I would much rather a power adapter than a bloody sticker that I'm gonna throw away. This is the little pin thingy that you always get. Gonna put those back in there for now. And then obviously your little power cable. They are moving to USB-C with everything, which is probably not news to you guys, but for me, who has not had a new phone in 4-ish years, this is different. So USB-C, I think these charge faster, do they? A little bit. And it also has like the fast charging and everything, but yeah. Cable, useless stickers. All right. Now let's do the peeling. I'm so excited. Oof. There you guys are. This is my interesting setup. Old phone, camera. Oh, so shiny. That's amazing. Oh, there's me. Hello. This thing also has So on this, it's got little pictures. Can you see those? Like a lightning bolt for charging, the power button, and the volume buttons, and then the silencing button. Ooh. So this thingy is obviously for people who haven't had iPhones and stuff before. So it shows you where all the buttons are. Okay. The things I am immediately noticing are, this is gonna like fingerprint up real quick, but this button is huge now. This is way bigger than my current phone, so that is obviously something that they've changed, and it's obviously more squared off now, which is something that is the same with the new phones. Look at my cameras! So excited for these good cameras. They are going to be a big upgrade compared to the, what do I have? I think I have the 8 or the 7. Is 7 a thing? I don't know. I have an old model, but these cameras, oof, so excited for these. Oh my gosh. So I am gonna turn it on. One thing that I don't want to do this time around is, maybe I can't turn it on. I might have to charge it first. Surely not. That's not really a thing that you normally have to do. I think it needs charge. That's rare. Anyway, so this time around, I don't want to copy everything I have on my old phone onto this new phone, because I know it is so much easier in terms of setting up the stuff that you use all the time, but I have so much stuff on the old one that I just want a kind of clean, fresh slate with this one. So I'm not going to transfer everything across. Obviously, I'm going to put my SIM card in. So Evan and I, he bought this outright. We have, for those of you in Australia, we have LD SIM cards because it is so much cheaper every single month, and you get so much data. Like, I have a ridiculous amount of data built up because each month your data carries over and you can never use it all. And it's insane how much cheaper it is than the plans that we were on before, that they'd finished and we'd paid off our phones, obviously, because my phone is so old, but we had just kept, let the plans just keep going, and it was ridiculous how much money we were spending. So money saving tip is to do that. If your phone is paid off, get an LD SIM card, because it uses Telstra towers, so it's good service all the time, and it's cheaper, it's great, and you get heaps of data. So pro tip. Anyway, I need to charge this up a little bit and give it a bit of juice, so be right back. Okay, I have plugged it into my old charger. It did not have any battery. Is that a thing that they do now? I'm sure they used to come with a little bit of battery in them at least. But anyway, I'm gonna have to let this charge for a little while. I'm gonna go make dinner and then come back. I do have a fast charger, so this should charge relatively quickly. We will see, but I'm gonna make dinner and then come back and turn it on and finish off the video. I just went to get up and it started turning itself on. It's going through all its hellos. Hello. Swipe up to open. English. Australia. Okay, so this is where you would normally connect it to your old phone or to your iCloud or whatever, but I'm going to just set up manually, put in our Wi-Fi. It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. Ooh, set up Face ID. This I haven't had yet. I've only had the fingerprint. First, position your face in the camera frame and move your head in a circle to show all angles of your face. Let's do it. That feels ridiculous. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Okay, Face ID is now set up. That was weird. It is so nice. It feels really good in your hands, which is a strange thing to say, but I think the straight edges really helps in not dropping it. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. I'm swiping. Yay! No SIM card. Yeah, I know that. I'm so excited. It's ready. I am going to put my SIM card in it now, obviously, and I need to spend like days sorting my old phone out and getting storage, but it's ready. I'm so excited. Just look at it. It's so beautiful. What do you think?
Cost me enough money, you need a phone case.
Yeah, I need a phone case. I need a phone case and I need a screen protector.
Good phone case.
A good one, yeah. When you're spending this much money, you need to spend a decent amount of money on a good phone case. And especially you need one that like is deeper than the cameras, because you don't want your cameras to get scratched. Because if it didn't have a case on it, when you laid it down on the ground, these would get scratched all the time. So, mission by case, by screen protector.
And cook every dinner.
And cook dinner. I'm so excited. Look how beautiful. I need to put a photo of the puppies on, because this is not a fun background.
Was it a surprise?
It was such a surprise. I was shocked. You should have told Ash to film my reaction or something, because I was like, I was shocked. She was laughing at me so
I thought
much.
you got the little hint that I sent in the Snapchat.
No, I didn't even notice.
Oh, you didn't pay attention.
No, I don't pay attention, but I have a new phone. I'm so happy. Okay. That's it. Subscribe to my Instagram. Follow my Instagram, because now I'm going to be able to take even better photos. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, because why wouldn't you? I'm so much fun. Leave a like and a comment down below if you have anything to say about Evan's amazing surprise for me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.